Yo, namire bookmark Yolŋu. Numakangama Yolŋu Radio News.
Yo, bookmark. Tuna Yolŋu Radio News. Diakko poi, mei poi. Tuolla election voting kun tuolla Australian government ka prime minister ja kalkki terämärkki. Tundetaan ei tolakkaam nungu naattaa Yolŋu imalla vote. Bookmark Yolŋu ni oleka riippungurmalla vaangon niin tuolla notiisanamlängur olattu voting riippui deikkon toimalla tuolla meijo. Uningeili election ja bookmark Yolŋu tuolla varppaam Australiangur virkkain olaltu julku oleka jälmiriin Australian governmentteri. Riippuja pulika tuolla lakkara federal governmentteri. Organisation tuolla jaakku Australian Electoral Commission or AEC helping olalli Vandinjamaran polling booth all around Australia. Markatu bookmark Yolŋu voting. AEC jama mirijamala olaltu set up polling booth tuolla vuoroppam Yolŋu communities ngur ka app homelands ngur tuolla meijo. Naparetu lakkaram numalangala naakkuruolaka marikki ka naatta olaltu punni. On Monday, May 9th, AEC malla marikki olaltu Maapurulil, Mattamattalil, Rurolil ka Daalinboilil. Markka uni Yolŋu malla olaltu voting next prime minister ka riippumalla politicians tuolla Australian government ngur. Tuolla Tuesday, May 10th, una AEC malla marikki olaltu Wandawilil, Brain ka Kartalalil. AEC election jama mirjamala riippunyolatu marikki bala Ramangininglil diang deikkon miri. Ramangining bujamala walaltu voting afternoon diang deikkon to May 9th to ka all day May 10th to una basketball court ngur. Bala May 11th ja AEC warak miramala to marikki bala Yatalamaralil ka Nangalalil. Riippunyolatu marikki Karnganlil Barma ka Donji homelands dual Miwach region ngur. On May 12 ka 13 ja bilingi po yung Yolŋu to voting. AEC malado walal jattu unal sporan rek sentang all day being May 12 ka most of the next day mala. May 12 ja Yolŋu malauna Raymangir ka Goromuro voting do. On May 13 ja AEC malado marikki bala gunyangaralil morning mir from 9 a.m. bala 12 p.m. lil. Bala being yola to galoppa lila after lunch ja 1 hour. Bala Olabi Beach lila from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. afternoon. Monday, May 16 ka 17th there will be no balanya polling booth inside una church hall ngur irkalangur all day. AEC riippunyolalto visit Bantula kagawa deikkun to May 16. Markanguni Yolŋu malato vote riippuny. Kalen kuya malato vote May 17th, 18th ka 19th though. AEC mala walal jattu rec centangur for 3 days. Last one ja kapiak Yolŋu mala walal jattu voting Wednesday May 18th ka Thursday May 19th though. AEC mala warak merto sport and rec ngur centangur all day. Only Yolŋu enroll before May 18th walal pito voting ja. Unini bangu enroll sorry nungu vote jattu bangun walal buturo. Yolŋu Radio jaka kajama video markado milkum numalangala nalchandu voting bilinge una voting forms ja kadumbal gruppa namirablanya narongo lagi ngono ki video go uninmato marchi voting go o wangi AEC jama milin mala olan nindo help nalchandu jama ukiri balai form lil jama ripunyuni available numalang muni yol ka jal mirir rupiao ka helping go ripu mala Yolŋu diak voting go. AEC mala ka jal mirir local Yolŋu mala wala to help Vandinjamaran dual polling booth. Unini 18 or older ka already ni nungu receiving COVID-19 vaccine injections ka meringi ni nungu tax file number ni tumarang rupiah diak kopwe jamau. Uni ka jal mirir diak jamau marchi wangi AEC jama mirir mala uni walaltu daleun numalangal community ngur o homeland ngur. Nango ki jama mirir mala black kon bacho mir yakku kajen gayon our vote matters. Goyanga ki voting dial federal elections ja leccu ngaida dukkar Yolŋu ngitulakkaram nakkuna purjal dia country. Voting dia election day miri markanungu tu rirake ngama.